Hello everyone. Students, today we are going to start our new exercise, that is exercise 6.2. Okay, for that all of you take out your book number 4, page number 7. Okay, so question number 1 we are going to solve in our classwork copy, students. Okay, question number 1 and 2. So here you can see question number 1 is given. Write 2 division facts for each of the following multiplication fact. So here multiplication fact is given. We have to write the division fact. Okay, we have to write the 2 division fact. So in previous class yesterday I have taught you the relationship between multiplication and division fact. Isn't it, students? So the method I have shown you, that one only will be the same. That method we will do here. Okay. So yesterday whenever I have discussed about the topic, the relation between multiplication and division fact, there one line is there. So you can see the line. This implies that division is the inverse of multiplication. Okay. So this process we have done yesterday. So the same process we are going to do here today. So here you see inverse of multiplication given. What is inverse, students? Inverse means opposite. Okay. Inverse means opposite. So division is the opposite of multiplication. Okay. So in the same process we are going to solve this question today. Okay. So let us start. Question you see here given 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So in solution we will write what is 2 into 5? This 2 into 5 equal to 10 is a multiplication fact. So what we were going to do? We are going to take 10 at first. Then we are going to put division symbol. Then at first we will divide 10 with 2. Okay. So if we divide 10 by 2, so what will be the answer? The answer will be 5. Okay. Once again we are going to divide 10. Then the next number we will take 5. Okay. So our answer will be 2. So you can see here, students. So these are called inverse of multiplication. Okay. So 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So at first we are going to divide 10 by 2 and next line we can divide 10 by 5. Okay. So simple. This is the answer. Okay, student. So in the same way we are going to solve question number B. Question given 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So at first which number we will take? We will take 35. So 35 divided by 5. So 35 divided by 5, what will be the answer, students? 7. And next one will be 35 divided by 7. So what will be the answer? 5. Is it clear? So these are the 2 division facts. Okay. For the multiplication fact. So this is the 2 division fact of this multiplication fact. Clear? Clear, students? So in this way you will solve the rest of the question. Rest of the question means C, D, E, F, G, H. Till these questions you can do as classwork. Okay, students. And I, J, K, L you can do as homework. Okay, I, J, K and L. You can do all these 4 questions in your classwork copy only as homework. Clear? So now we are going to show you question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Write the multiplication fact for each of the following division fact. Okay. So there given division fact, we have to write the multiplication fact. Opposite to question number 1. Okay. So what we will write? At first we will write 3. Okay. So 3 7s are 21. And here 7 3s are 21. Okay. So these are the 2 multiplication fact. Okay. So same as question number B also. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. So at first we will take 7 into 5 is equal to 35. And here 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Clear? So it is easy, students? Yes. So in this way you have to solve these 2 answers. And rest of the questions also you have to solve in a classwork copy. Okay. Same question number C, D, E, F, G, H you will solve in a classwork copy. And I, J, K, L will be your homework. Okay. I, J, K and L will be your homework. Okay, students. Clear? So I hope you have understood whatever I have taught you now, students. Okay. Thank you.